My name is Michele LeVoy. I'm the director of PICUM, which is the Platform for International Cooperation on Undocumented Migrants. PICUM is an NGO, a non-governmental organization, and we work to defend the human rights of undocumented migrants. PICUM advocates for the human rights of undocumented migrants. So we look at issues such as access to health care, fair working conditions, the situation of undocumented children and their rights, access to health care, education, housing. We look at the situation of people who are in immigration detention, what happens to people during return. And all of this is from a human rights perspective. So in a sense, it's our daily struggle, in a sense, to look at how people's lives are affected by migration and other policies, and how to really ensure that they can live decent lives with respect of their human rights. The human rights situation of undocumented migrants in Europe is actually quite worrying in the sense that we see a degradation. We see issues such as access to health care, which many countries have enshrined in their legislation, being threatened by developments in return policy or in other areas of migration policy. So it's very challenging in this current context to make sure that in the possibilities that people currently have in law or in policy don't get removed. And we also see that civil society is being threatened in general for their work on undocumented migrants' human rights. So these are two areas where it's very worrying amidst a general trend in a more repressive and a more criminalizing context.